Chapter 13. Service and Finishing the Proof of Service. In this chapter, you will learn how to properly serve your expungement paperwork and finish filling out the proof of service. Your paperwork should now be ready to be served. In some situations, paperwork must be served by a neutral third party and cannot be mailed. However, for criminal expungement, you can mail the paperwork to the other parties yourself. To serve the paperwork by mail, put your completed envelopes in the mail by your deadline. If you have questions about what should be included in the envelopes or your mailing deadline, review Chapter 12. After the envelopes have been mailed, finish filling out the proof of service. On the blank line after where it says County of, fill in the name of the county where you are when you sign the proof of service. This may be different than the county where your case happened. That is okay. Fill in your full name here, then fill in the date you put the envelopes in the mail and the name of the city where you mailed the envelopes from. Finally, sign and date the proof of service on page 2. Your signature does not need to be notarized. Make sure you also include your name, address, and telephone number. It is a good idea to make a copy of the proof of service for you to keep for your records. That way, if there are any questions about service, you will have a record of what was done. If you have more than one case, make sure that a proof of service form is filled out for each case. Once your proof of service forms are completed and signed, you are ready to move on to Chapter 14, filing your original paperwork with the court.